Hey, want to do a wheel swap?
Hell yeah, I got these here. Nice green ones.
What should we wheel swap?
Oh, I got something. Bugatti EB 110.
Heh, and it's yellow too.
Let's make it a John Deere Bugatti.
Oh, yeah, man.
We gotta make a trip to the evidence room.
What? Are you kidding me? Dude, you gotta slow down. Oh, what is this stuff?
Snickle Fritz.
Man, I don't know if we should be doing this while we're on the
Totally looks like a John Deere. Yeah. What isn't John Deere green and... Wait, what are we talking about, man? I don't know, man, but this thing looks killer. Yeah, man. Dude, we need to get this thing on the street ASAP, man. This is gonna totally decimate, man. Maybe we can win some more RCs with this thing, man. Like, dude, slow down, man. Due time. We're gonna take this baby to the streets. Dude, are you losing your vision too, man?